Black Forest cake is just about as perfect as dessert can get. Chocolate cake, loads of cream, loads of booze, and plenty of cherries. Sounds like a pretty good cocktail to me. Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. I'm in Germany's Black Forest, home to beautiful scenery, cuckoo clocks, and of course, Black Forest cake. Where there's Black Forest cake, there's Kirsch.
Hey, where's the s'mores nuts?
And where there's Kirsch, there's me eating, drinking, and figuring out how to turn this delectable treat into a delicious cocktail. So as the Germans say, lassen Sie uns das Ding in Gang bringen. Let's get this thing started. I'm on a river cruise on the Rhine River, which took me to the Black Forest in Germany. The area was once known for forestry and ore mining, but now tourism is the primary industry. My industry is making videos, so please boop the like and subscribe button.
I'm being extremely clever up here, and there's no one to stand around looking impressed. What's the point in having you all?
There are some wonderful cuckoo clocks on display, including a giant version in the square. Black Forest ham originated from this region, as did the Black Forest Gâteau, or as English speakers will know it, Black Forest cake. Black Forest cake is made with chocolate cake, cream, sour cherries, and lots of Kirsch.
Boy, those Germans have a word for everything.
Kirschwasser, or more simply, Kirsch, is a clear, colorless brandy traditionally made from double distillation of Morello cherry. The fermentation process includes the complete cherry, including the stone. Unlike cherry liqueurs and cherry brandies, Kirschwasser is not sweet and neutral in flavor, although you can find sweetened and flavored versions pretty easily.
It's almost too easy.
It should come as no surprise that the cake is delicious, so I made it my mission to make a cocktail version that would be just as tasty. So after returning to the ship, I asked the bartender on board to combine 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of cherry-flavored Kirsch, half an ounce of Creme de Cacao, 1/4 ounce of Coffe Liqueur, and shake over ice for 15 seconds. To serve, place a cherry in a coupe and strain the drink into the glass. I wanted to float heavy cream over a spoon on top to layer, but the bartender opted to spray cream over top. In my home bar, I dust the top with cocoa powder, but on board, they sprinkled chocolate sprinkles over top. While it wasn't garnished the way I wanted, it's a delicious drink that isn't as sweet as one might expect. The Kirsch really balances the sweet liqueurs, and the bourbon brings out the cherry notes. I'm a fan and look forward to making this back home.
I don't want to go.
I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know that you're a fan by booping the like, subscribe, and share button. Please drink responsibly. We'll see you next time.